Hello students, today we will learn about networking concepts. In our daily life, we come across different types of networks. Example, network of roads, railway lines, canals, etc. Communication network of telephone system that enables us to talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime. Network of banks or ATMs, automated teller machines. Radio, television network that broadcasts programs live across the globe. Network of malls, schools, hospitals, etc. all over the country. Imagine life without networking. No phone, no radio, no television, etc. It is unbelievable to think life without these amenities. Similarly, computer networks that connect millions of computers together have also become an integral part of our life these days. They have extended the power of a computer beyond the expanse of a room. The internet is an outcome of cyber networking only. Let us understand the concept of computer networks in detail. Let us first talk about the computer network and its components. A computer network can be defined as a group of computers and other peripheral devices that are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources. For example, if one of the computers in a network has a printer attached to it, then all the computers in that network can access the printer and use it to print the documents as shown in figure, where computer A and B in a network can give the print command to the printer attached with computer C. The computers in the network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. One of these nodes acts as a sender that transmits the information to other nodes in the network, known as receivers. These computers are linked with each other through some mediums such as cables, telephone lines, radio waves, or infrared light beams. Let us understand a computer network as a data communication system with the help of figure. It consists of the following parts. Number 1. Message. It is the information to be communicated. It can contain text, pictures, audio, video, etc. Number 2. Sender. Sender is a device, that is, a computer, workstation, mobile phone, or tablet that sends the data message through web browser. Number 3. Receiver. Receiver is a device that receives the data messages. It can also be a computer, workstation, tablet, or mobile phone. Number 4. Transmission medium. It is the physical path through which the message travels from the sender to the receiver. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and radio waves are some common examples of a transmission medium. Number 5. Protocol. A protocol specifies a set of rules that governs the data communication. Without a protocol, the data cannot be exchanged between two communicating devices.